In this video, we unravel the essence of crafting compelling research questions. Academic writing demands focus and direction, and a well-designed research question provides the purpose and clarity your research needs. A research question is an inquiry that the research attempts to answer. It is the heart of the systematic investigation. They steer the writing and research process and focus on specific queries that support a concrete thesis. A good research question must have the following characteristics. Here's a list of common research questions: descriptive, comparative, correlational, exploratory, explanatory, evaluation, and action-based. Steps to write research questions: select an interesting topic, conduct preliminary research on the topic, consider your audience, ask questions, start your research. They guide your journey, shape your methodology, and lead to meaningful discoveries. With tools like SciSpace ResearchGPT, your research workflow becomes seamless. Read the complete blog, How to Write Research Question, using the link shared in the description.